Dr. Dan Yachter here, and I want to thank you for, of course, joining us through this journey, this 7 email series, wrapping up and summarizing, really encapsulating everything that we talked about at the Hormone, Thyroid, and Stress Masterclass. Of course, we've just covered in this material the 5 basic paths. Nothing fancy, keeping it simple, but these are foundational things that must be in place if your hormones are going to be balanced, your thyroid is going to work properly, if you're going to minimize stress or the impact, the detrimental impact that uncontrolled amounts of stress have on the body, in particular the hormones, thyroid, and whatnot. So we just covered the 5 basic paths. 1, of course, the nervous system, the spine, a healthy spine and its role in hormonal balance. Number 2, sleep, the importance of sleep for recovery and renewal and regeneration, especially of the stress glands, the adrenal glands. But we must get proper recovery time if our hormones are going to balance, we're going to recover from stress, and we are going to be resilient to stress. Number 3, simple movements, getting outside, getting in nature, moving the body, getting up and moving. One of the worst things that we could be doing is sitting all day, all week long, and not getting outside, not moving our body. So movement is crucial to hormonal balance. We covered that extensively through this email series and of course at the master class. Fourthly, we covered foods. Which foods best support your hormonal balance, thyroid health, for stress management, which foods particularly feed the adrenals and keep the stress glands healthy. We covered quite a bit, but we stressed heavily upon the importance of protein, the right amount of protein, also hydration, and we spoke about a lot of other things, but those are the 2 major macronutrients and just basic nutrient, the right amount of hydration and its importance when it comes to hormonal balance. And of course, right testing. Don't guess, make sure you're testing, but the right type of testing, right? We always say, test, don't guess, but don't just test, you got to do it right. And it's not just blood hormones when we talk about hormones, doing a blood draw and looking at your blood hormones, but there's also currently a gold standard in terms of looking at your hormones, and that is the Dutch test, dry urine test with comprehensive hormones, seeing how the hormones are metabolized in and through and out of your body, and that's going to give you the quality of hormonal metabolism along with the quantity, the blood hormones. So these are the 5 simple paths, of course, ending with testing your hormones properly, but you have to have the first 4 lifestyle steps in place if you have any chance to stand in regards to balancing your hormones. So again, I hope you got a lot out of these emails. I've got a lot of great feedback from so many people reading through these emails and saying they really appreciate it, they're getting a lot out of it, and it's just helping them stay plugged in when they can't come to the live master classes. So remember, coming up April 21st, cancer prevention, 6:30 p.m. right here in the office. We'd love to have you come join us and be part of our learning culture, the Elevation Health University. We want you here, and if you see this before the big event, our Patient Appreciation Day, Thursday, 11 to 6, Patient Appreciation Day, April 2nd. And then, of course, April 7th on Tuesday, we invite you to bring in or send in or refer in the people that you've been trying to get checked, subluxation, get their spines checked. We are here to help them. Many of you guys have talked to us about the people you want to have helped, and we do it as a gift, as a way of thanking you, and we allow our patients to refer in friends, family members, loved ones to the office for a complimentary checkup. That's Tuesday, 11 to 1, April 7th. But April 2nd, if you're a current active patient, is for you to come and be celebrated by our team from 11 to 6, Thursday, April 2nd. So again, thanks for reading through these emails. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you real soon. Dr. Dan Yachter signing off. God bless.